Hello viewers, in our my student class video we are going to see about 10th mathematics. So now we are going to solve practical geometry in 10th standard. Okay, now we move on to a sum. Here they are given to construct a triangle PQR. Okay, now we want to construct a triangle PQR which the base PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeter and the angle is equal to angle R is equal to 35 degree, and the median from R to RG is 6 centimeter. So they have given PQ value for us, base value 4.5 and the angle R as 35 degree, and the median value from R to RG is 6 centimeter. Okay, now we see how to solve and how to construct this triangle. Okay, now you take the ruler and they have given a point for us. It's nothing but 4.5 centimeter, the base value PQ as 4.5 centimeter. So now I'm placing a scale here and now we are drawing a line of 4.5 centimeter. Yeah, okay, you please construct with me. Now we are marking it as P point. It says P point, and here this edge as Q. So the centimeter of this PQ line is 4.5 centimeter. So we have constructed our PQ line, which is a 4.5 centimeter. Now we are going to bisect our PQ line. So for that I am taking more than half of this PQ line. So I am placing my compass in my P point. So now we are going to bisect the PQ line. So from P point we are cutting an arc on top, and from P point we are cutting an arc in bottom. Okay, now we are cutting an arc in bottom. Now we are going to, without change in the compass, we are going to place a compass in our Q point. So now with the same value we are going to cut a point, cut the P arc, and the bottom arc also we are going to cut. So we have construct a bisecting arcs of our PQ line. So now we are going to draw a line to join that both arc. So this is our bisector line of P and Q. So we are going to take this as G. So this bisector line, the bin line, so this is a median, so the median line is, mark it as G. Now we are going to take a protector and you place your protector on P line. So you place your protector bottom of a P line to construct an angle 35 degree. So in the bottom we are going to construct our 35 degree given angle. So now I am constructing, we are keeping a point on 35 degree. Okay, so now take your scale and join the line, join the point P and the dot we have kept for angle 35 degree. So now we are going to join the line. So you mark that line as E. So now I am going to mark the line as E. So this is our P to E line. Now we are taking a protector. Now you place your protector on the line PE. so which have been drawn in 35 degree. So you place on a P line. So now we are going to mark a 90 degree. So we are going to mark 90 degree, which we are placing our protector in a P line and we are marking 90 degree. Now you draw a line from P to the 90 degree where we have marked. Okay. Now you mark the line as F. So we have drawn a line of PF. Okay. So this is angle 35 degree. So this is angle 35 degree which have been given in our question. And this is a 90 degree now. So the line bisector and the line PF connects is O point. So from that O point we are going to construct a circle here to form and to find R's value from the chord of the circle. So now we are going to measure O and P. So now by placing correctly, you should place that. After placing that with the value, you please make a whole rotate. You draw a circle, whole rotate you will get a circle. So we have formed a circle. So now here P point and Q point are a chord of this circle. So now we are going to find our R's value. So now we are going to take a scale and you are going to measure a 6 centimeter because our median value R2 RG is what, 6 centimeters. So now to find R's value, now we are going to take 6 centimeter as per our question. Now we are going to take 6 centimeter and you want to place your compass on G point because from G point or G we will get. Okay, so by placing on G point we are going to cut an arc on the circle. So we have find our R chord. So our R chord of this circle is constructed. So now we want to mark that point as R. So now we are going to connect the point R and Q. So with the help of a scale we are going to connect the points R and Q. So you should connect carefully. Yes. Now we are going to make a line over it. So we are going to draw a line. So we have connected R and Q. So next we are going to connect our R and P line with the help of a scale. Okay. Oh, so this is our given triangle. Yes, R and G. So the median from R to G is what, 6 centimeters. So now we are going to mark the values that they have given in our question. So we are going to naming it. So this is 6 centimeter. From R to RG, median value is 6 centimeter. You should label it out. So it is most important of labeling the values that they have given in our question. So our R's angle is what, 35 degree. So we want to write it 35 degree. So we have a label it R as 35 degree and R to G is 6 centimeter. And then our T to Q is what, 4.5 centimeter. Now we are going to check. So we will check that whether it's coming 35 degree or not. For that we are placing our protector on R point. So you should place your protector on R point to P point. So because R P Q R is our triangle, so now we want to find whether the R P lines giving the 35 degree on that. So we are getting here. So hence we have constructed our given triangle PQR with base of 4.5 centimeter and with angle R as 35 degree. So till now we have completed with our constructing a triangle PQR. So in our upcoming videos we would see about other geometry sums, practical geometry sums in our 10th standard portion. So students, you please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my student class YouTube channel. So you will get more videos about this. Thank you viewers.